진짜 많다.
I'm so very glad.
Came, huh? We came to Arena. It's beautiful. We came before White Lotus. It's like a mini eruption.
Oh my goodness, that's like a cloud, like a new.
In the early hours of June 2nd, Europe's most active volcano, the imposing Mount Etna, roared back to life with a violent eruption that stunned thousands on the Italian island of Sicily. The eruption, considered one of the most powerful in recent years, filled the sky with thick plumes of ash and smoke, forcing tourists to evacuate and prompting a red alert for aviation. At 4:14 a.m. local time, Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, confirmed the start of intense strombolian activity coming from the volcano's southeastern crater. The eruption had been preceded by a series of volcanic tremors detected as early as 10 p.m. the night before, which steadily increased in intensity and peaked just around midnight. Explosions launched ash, glowing lava, volcanic scoria, lava, and volcanic bombs hundreds of meters above Etna's summit, creating a terrifying yet mesmerizing display. Thermal imaging later revealed the presence of pyroclastic flows, scorching clouds of gas, ash, and rock, rapidly descending the volcano's slopes. The Toulouse Volcanic Ash Advisory Center issued a red aviation warning at 3:32 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated after detecting that the ash plume had reached approximately 21,000 feet, around 6,400 meters, in height. Later, as activity partially stabilized, the alert level was downgraded to orange at 6:39 Universal Time Coordinated, though authorities warned that air travel in the region should proceed with extreme caution.
Vote everybody. Yeah.
The violent event was widely documented across social media. Tourists and locals shared videos showing people fleeing as the Sicilian sky darkened and deafening explosions echoed across the region. Footage showed massive black smoke columns rising above the mountain and rivers of lava lighting up the early morning sky. Ashfall was recorded in nearby areas, such as Piano Vettor, prompting local authorities to order evacuations in the most exposed zones. Despite the dramatic nature of the eruption, there were no reports of injuries or major property damage. The surrounding communities, familiar with Etna's frequent activity, were well prepared, but the speed and intensity of this eruption still stood out. Since the night of June 1st, INGV's seismic sensors had detected vibrations at a depth of 2.88 kilometers, indicating a buildup of underground pressure. This sequence of tremors was interpreted as a clear sign that Etna was on the verge of entering a significant eruptive phase. The volcano had shown signs of instability in the weeks leading up to the event, which is not uncommon given its history of nearly constant activity. Mount Etna is considered one of the most closely monitored volcanoes in the world and is equipped with advanced observation systems specifically due to its ability to produce sudden and powerful eruptions like the one seen this week. At 11:03 a.m. local time, INGV officially announced that volcanic activity had become stronger and nearly continuous, prompting authorities to maintain all precautionary measures. Strombolian eruptions are known for rhythmic explosions that eject volcanic material high into the air, and in this case, the magnitude reached concerning levels. Italian authorities activated all available emergency protocols and deployed civil protection teams to monitor the surrounding areas. Access to the crater's vicinity was restricted, and residents were urged to follow official guidance. Ensuring the safety of locals and tourists became a top priority amid the unpredictable developments. Despite the chaos of the early morning, emergency response services acted swiftly and efficiently. Rescue teams remained on high alert throughout the day, prepared to respond to any further escalation. The episode also reignited scientific and media interest in Etna, as experts from around the globe began analyzing eruption data to better understand the volcano's internal dynamics and anticipate future events. For Sicilian residents, the event was as terrifying as it was awe-inspiring. Many described hearing a sound similar to a nuclear blast, as ash rained down on rooftops like a storm. Some called the experience a night of war, though fortunately there were no human casualties or significant structural damage. The international community also expressed concern. Several flights were rerouted, and some air routes were temporarily suspended due to the risk volcanic ash posed to aircraft engines, a known hazard from similar past incidents in other regions of the world. Although Etna remains under close observation, at the time of this report, its activity appears to have calmed slightly. Experts continue to evaluate the situation, and the alert level remains at orange, indicating that while the threat still exists, it is currently under relative control. This eruption is a stark reminder of the unpredictability of active volcanoes. Despite all scientific advances, nature can still surprise us with overwhelming and uncontrollable force. What happened in Sicily is a powerful illustration of how vulnerable we are in the face of Earth's raw power. We extend our solidarity to everyone who experienced this event firsthand and emphasize the importance of preparedness and continuous monitoring when facing natural disasters. If you'd like to stay informed about volcanic activity and other natural events, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to receive real-time updates.